Alright, here we are. Toyota Corolla Cross. What we're gonna do that. See, there's a little thing. This is the factory blades, right?
These are the fact. Well, as far as I'm aware.
So there's this little thing, you just pop it up, and then you should be able to push the blade towards the car, and it comes right off. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And this one's so easy. You could see there's like a little hole, there's like a little bar in there. You stick it in and pull it up until it clicks, and take the cover off. Look at that.
Wow, it's a speed run.
This is the speed run. I don't want to, I need to preserve my Fortnite playing time. We'll clean that up in 48 hours. 90 years. Alright, same thing. Just, stick your finger in here, this little flaps pulls up. Could use like a butter knife or a screwdriver or something. That pulls down. That's a nice little system, actually. This one,
boop. Go Toyota. Got Chris's proof of his approval. Seal of approval, damn.
Don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe.
That did not come out as good as you wanted it to.
And please tell me what I did wrong, because I know somebody thinks I didn't do it good.
You did a terrible job.
Why don't you type in the comments, what's your favorite grilled cheese sandwich recipe? All right, thanks.